What's up, everybody? So we're back. We got another video today. This one's gonna be a little bit of a simpler video. Basically what we're doing is we're gonna be taking the exhaust off of the BRZ. My baby here, just sitting in the garage. And we're gonna be throwing it on the GR86. From what I've heard, it fits. If you guys don't remember, I have the Invidia N1 Catback exhaust with the Invidia Catless Front Pipe. And so from what the research that I've done, at least, it says it'll fit. I'm hoping it does fit. From the posts that I've seen online and stuff like that, everyone has said that it fits. So we'll be testing that out, and I hope that's true because that car is way too fucking quiet and it needs an exhaust, and yeah, I just need it to be loud. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you guys what it sounds like stock, which it doesn't sound like anything at all, to be honest. But yeah, so we're gonna be testing it out. I'm gonna put a GoPro in the back and just kind of drive around for a little bit. Just so you guys know, I'm still in break-in period, so I can't go above 4,000 RPM. So basically we're just gonna test from, like, you know, turning it on, driving a little distance and then coming back. The same thing for the N1, the Invidia N1 Exhaust. So we're just gonna be testing what it sounds like 0 to 4,000. Once I pass the break-in period, I can make another video and just show you guys what it sounds like from like 0 to 7,000 or whatever. I just don't want to hit redline because there's a lot of issues with the car and I might have to deal with a warranty issue in the future. So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drive around with that car, and we're just gonna test the exhaust and see how quiet it is stock. Let me turn on the car first and you guys can kind of see what it sounds like turning on, and then yeah, well, I'll just do comparisons between one and the other. Alright, so you guys heard what that sounds like. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mount the GoPro to the back right by the exhaust there. Once I get the new exhaust on there, then we can compare it. You guys probably just heard the sound clip of the exhaust, the stock exhaust. It sounds like ass, I already know. It probably doesn't sound like anything. It's probably super quiet in the video. I wouldn't know because I can't hear from behind. But yeah, so that's what the stock exhaust sounds like. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the exhaust off the BRZ, lift the car up, take the exhaust off the GR86, put the new exhaust on the GR86, and then put the old exhaust on the BRZ. Like, it's gonna be such a pain in the ass, but yeah. So I'm gonna do that, and then we can test out afterward and see how much louder it is. I'm assuming it's gonna sound a lot like the BRZ, just because it's the same mufflers, and you know, there's missing one cat. So and the exhaust system is pretty much the same between the two, so I'm assuming it's the same thing. Maybe a little bit louder because of displacement. We'll see. All right, so let me start getting to work on that, and then I'll get back to y'all once it's done. So I already got the exhaust off. As you can see, there's my N1 exhaust, and then all the way over there is my front pipe, Catless front pipe. So next is lifting up this car, putting the exhaust on this, well, taking the old one off, putting the new one on there, and then taking that old one, and I'm just gonna place it under the car for now because I'm not gonna run stock exhaust on this one either, so there's no point in like mocking it up and all that shit. Plus I had to cut a hanger to get it off, so yeah, I'm just gonna slide it under the car so I can keep it just in case I need to go back to stock for some reason. But yeah, it's not gonna be put on this car, fuck that. So let me go do that, and then yeah, then we'll get some sound clips. Okay, so I just put the exhaust. I was only able to put the cap back on because the front pipe is like so hard to get to. Like it's hard to explain, but there's almost like a subframe or like a frame piece right where the bolts are, so like I can't get any of my tools in there. So I think I'm just gonna take it to a shop and have them put that on. But right now I have the Invidia N1 Catback on there. Everything else is stock, so let's do a first startup and we'll see how it sounds. Dude, that sounds so good. It sounds so much better than stock. Definitely needs that front pipe, but for now it's really good. I'm gonna see if I can get a shop to do it like ASAP because I have a show to go to this weekend, and I just want to get it on there. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drive it, and we'll see how it sounds when we're driving it down the road and stuff like that. So that was the drive with the Catback exhaust. No front pipe yet, but I mean, it sounds pretty good. It sounds really good, honestly. It sounds way better than stock, but it needs that front pipe. I think it needs to be just a little bit louder, just a little bit. But did you guys hear that backfire though? That backfire came out of nowhere. Like this one, the BRZ did not. I mean, it backfired, but it was just like a tiny little pop, 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 like a little tiny. But that one backfired. I'm gonna have to take it to a shop and have them put the front pipe on. It sucks to say that because I like to do this shit myself, but I don't have a lift and I don't even have a garage anymore to work on it. Now I have to like do it on the driveway. The driveway is not level. It's kind of sketchy. It makes me feel like a little bit anxious about it. So I think it's better if I just take it to a shop and just have them do it. It can't be that expensive. Like $100, maybe $200. Probably not even that much. Honestly, maybe like $100. Next time you guys see me, I'll probably be in a different outfit and all that stuff, but I'm just gonna do a continuation of this video with the front pipe on, and you guys are gonna see like there's a difference between that, between having like no front pipe or stock front pipe and just having a catback. Like there's a big difference, especially one without a cat. Like you get rid of a cat, it's different, you know, it really is. But you guys will see that in a little bit. I'll show you guys that. What's up everybody? So it's been about a month since I recorded the last few videos. I'm finally editing this video and realized that I never filmed an outro or a secondary piece to go with the catback and the catless front pipe. So that's what I'm doing now. As you can see, I'm in my living room of my new apartment. So a lot has gone on in the past month, which is why, you know, it's been a little more difficult for me to make videos. We moved into a new apartment. We got a new little kitten, and a lot has been going on, so a lot of changes. So it's been a little hard making content, but here we are. I finally have another video for you guys, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. So we got the catback installed, and then I finally got a shop to install the catless front pipe. So it was around, I think, $150, which isn't too bad. And yeah, so this new exhaust sounds really good with the catless front pipe. Obviously, it's a lot louder, like I told you guys before in the video. I definitely expected that, and it sounds a little bit raspier. And between like 4,000 to 6,000 RPM, if you're pushing it, it sounds really, really good. So I have a few videos. I have ones in the same style that I recorded before with the GoPro, kind of looking at the exhaust. And I also have some flybys that Danielle took for me. Thank you so much. Yeah. This is our new kitten. This is Hanjo. He's a love. He's like 6 months old right now, so yeah, he's awesome. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the next few videos and the next few clips. And I hope you guys enjoyed this full video. I hope it helps you guys with your builds. And helps you decide if you want a catless front pipe, if you want that crazy sound or not. Yeah, you can use this video to reference that. So I hope y'all enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. He's about to knock my camera over. Hanjo, don't knock the camera over.
Sorry, I tried so hard.